everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm going to show you how to make a mini pom-pom in 3 minutes. Wrap a length of yarn around your ruler on both sides. Then, using the colors you want for your pom-pom, or just one color, wrap the yarn around your ruler. The more wraps you make, the tighter your pom-pom will be. Cut the yarn when you think you've got about the right amount of loops. Slide the loops towards the end of the ruler, but not off. Then pull up the other side of the original yarn. And before you take the loops off the ruler, make a knot with the 2 ends of your original yarn. Now slide the loops off your ruler. Turn them over and wrap the yarn on the reverse side as well. Make another knot. Turn so you can see the loops, and then start cutting through them. Turn and cut the loops on the other side. So far, it doesn't look too impressive, does it? Give that pom-pom a good shake. And then start trimming the yarn ends. Your goal is to make a pom-pom shape. Keep shaking and trimming until you get the shape you want. This can be a little frustrating, but don't get discouraged, just keep at it. You'll get better with practice. I like to trim the ends closest to the bottom, a little bit closer. I think I got it. Let me just clean up these bits of yarn. And there we go. There's our little pom-pom, along with the one that I showed you at the beginning. I hope you learned something today. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment.